Hello students, I hope all are fine and good. Today we are going to start our second term syllabus of Moral Science of class 2, chapter 7 An Ideal Citizen part 1. Students, an ideal citizen knows his right and responsibilities. He thinks of the nation first and of himself later. He respects the right of others. He serves his country. He respects the law of the country. He does not hurt the feelings of other people. So let's start our chapter. An ideal citizen. Start the class with the national song of India. Vande Mataram is national song of India. Read it yourself. India is a large country. It is a land of diversity, people belonging to different caste, creed and religion live here in harmony. Hindi is our national language. Besides Hindi, different people speak different languages based on the place to which they belong. Here are some languages spoken in our country. Asmi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Telugu and Urdu. These are some languages spoken in India. Now student, Indians celebrate different religious festivals. Some of them are Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas, Diwali. So students, festivals play an important role in our lives. They add joy and happiness in our lives. They help us to enjoy special moments with our loved ones. We Indians celebrate a lot of festivals. Our traditional festivals are celebrated in every corner of country. Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. are some of the popular festivals celebrated in India. So these are our religious festivals: Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas, Diwali. And here are some national festivals. National festivals. We have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. The British ruled our country for a long time. Finally, India got its independence on 15th August. When we got the independence? Yes, on 15th August we got independence. We celebrate this uh, day as our Independence Day. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic. On 26th January 1950, India became a republic. This day is celebrated as Republic Day. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869. Every year his, now go to the next page, his birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Do you know students who was Mahatma Gandhi and why he so important? Yes, do you know? Again, I am reading this. Do you know, students, who was Mahatma Gandhi and why is he so important? Yes, Gandhi ji was a national leader and a great freedom fighter. He believed in truth and non-violence. Through he is also called as Bapu, Mahatma and the father of the nation, etc. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. India had a glorious past. Great men like Gautam Buddha, Asoka and Swami Vivekanand were born and brought up here. We are proud to be Indians. We should be loyal to our country and its people. There are many ways in which we can show our loyalty towards our country. So student, this is the end of our today's class. We will continue the same chapter in next class. Thank you.